everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be my updated curly hair routine. You guys have been waiting for a really long time to see how the red hair looks curly, how it's looking on me. An update from my end. Finally the video is up. Hope you guys are gonna love it. This is gonna be a chit chat format. I'm gonna talk about what's up in my life, and whether I follow curly girl method anymore or no. A lot of updates in today's video. Watch it till the end and let's get started. Okay, let's see what we are working with. Oh my god, it's been a while. It's been in a bun since forever. It's at least been more than a week since I haven't washed my hair. A lot has been going on, so yeah. बालों की दशा next level खराब हो गई है. I have used hair mask previously, so I'm thinking this time I'm gonna apply some hair oil, and for that I'm gonna use Curl Nourishing Hair Oil. If you have been an OG, you already know how much I love this product. This is like my second bottle. I've already finished one whole bottle. This is a holy grail for me and I absolutely cannot live without it. It has so many amazing ingredients. It has argan oil, hemp seed oil and a bunch of amazing oils that makes this a definite must have. I'm gonna take a generous pump and just warm it up a little in your hands. This hair oil is amazing. It smells so great. I really like the smell of it. If you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend. ये बहुत ही सही oil है. Of course, I'm gonna massage my roots, and it's so important to stimulate and massage your scalp for good hair growth. So give it a good chumpy. Okay, now that I've oiled my hair and my scalp is massaged nicely, next I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair using this brush. This is something that I've started doing recently to brush my hair and get the knots out before I head in the shower. पहले मैं shower में करती थी. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे कमेंट में बोला है कि उससे ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल होता है. बहुत लोगों को ये नोटिस हुआ है. So I thought let's try it out. I've been doing this for more than 6 months, almost a year now, and मुझे इतना drastic कुछ difference तो लगा नहीं, but I feel like it's good to like brush your hair. उतना time मेरा washroom में बच जाता है. That's the reason I've started to like brush my hair before I head in the shower. So let's do that. Also, this brush is absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend it. ये बहुत ही सही है. You can detangle your hair with this. You can style your hair with this. And I've been really liking the results using this brush. ये आने के बाद मैंने Denman brush को हाथ भी नहीं लगाया. This is such a nice versatile brush. Definitely get it. Always start from the bottom and work your way towards the top. And slowly move your way towards up. And done. It literally took me less than a minute to do one section. And for this video, I thought let's keep it a little bit chatty and just catch up with you guys. What's going on in your life? I know you guys must be wondering, Shruti, where were you since like 2 weeks? No videos at all from your end. And that's because first week I was not well, and the next week my mother-in-law fell sick. She got dengue, got hospitalized. And it was a constant back and forth. Health एक ऐसा emergency है जो आपके हाथ में और कंट्रोल में तो है नहीं. And I know आप लोग ये वीडियो बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे हो, श्रुति कब फिल्म कर रही है. Trust me, मैंने खुद ने भी अपने बाल अच्छे से कर्ल्ड अप नहीं देखे हैं जब से मैंने हेयर कट और हेयर कलर किया है. कुछ ना कुछ तो रीज़न की वजह से मैं ब्लो ड्राई कर रही हूँ, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ इट मैंने खुद ने भी अब तक मेरे बाल कर्ली नहीं देखे. सो you guys are gonna see it along with me. And as I said, it's a journey. तो बहुत सारे चीज़ें जर्नी में changes होते हैं. It's not gonna be the same, and my routine is definitely not the same. A lot of things have changed since then, and आपको throughout the video समझेगा कि मैंने क्या क्या changes किए हैं, and I will talk through it. So this video can be called like my updated curly hair routine and reveal slash. I don't know about you guys, but I genuinely find brushing or combing through my hair like this therapeutic. Wow, it feels so good. And ये बहुत ही अच्छा है hair growth के लिए as well. So definitely give it a good brush. Feels so good. With that, I'm gonna let this sit for 2 hours minimum. Sometimes I like to do this the day, like the night before, and let this sit for overnight. I don't mind letting it sit for overnight. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना वॉश माई हेयर ऑब्वियसली. सो मैंने सोचा जाने से पहले आपको शैम्पू और कंडीशनर दिखा देती हूँ व्हाट आई एम गोना यूज. आई एम नॉट गोना इंक्लूड दैट इन द वीडियो बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी नो हाउ आई शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर. प्रीटी कॉमन है, आप लोगों को भी पता है कैसे करना है. And styling part, I'll do it with you guys, don't worry about that. Okay, for shampoo I'm going to use the Biolosh Color Last Orchid shampoo for color protection. As you already know, I've colored my hair red. It needs a shampoo that includes color protection. मैंने दोनों try करके देख लिया है. One that includes color protection and one that does not mention anything like that. And बहुत ज़्यादा color shedding होता है, so if you have colored your hair or whatever, use something that does include color protection. Now I know a lot of people are going to ask, Shruti, is it CG friendly? To be honest, when it comes to shampoo and conditioner, मैंने वो देखना छोड़ दिया है. I do use products that does have surfactants. I do use products that does have silicones in it. And I generally don't mind. As I said earlier, सबका एक journey होता है. And मेरे journey में, after my experimentations and everything, I have concluded that I don't mind using it. I don't see a drastic difference in my hair. Also, I do wash my hair once a week, sometimes twice a week, but mostly once a week. So I do need something that's a little bit more strong and that just cleanses and clarifies my scalp without drying my hair. And there are a lot of products that does have surfactants but does not dry your hair, and this one is one of it. I absolutely love it. Again, this is the second bottle. I've already finished one whole bottle, so I've repurchased it because I really like it. And for conditioner, I'm gonna use Fix My Curls Hydrating Deep Conditioner. Now this is CG friendly, but मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे भी conditioners use करती हूँ जो CG friendly नहीं है. And this one, to be honest, is absolutely amazing. It gives such great slip कि मैंने repurchase किया है. Now I do have a lot of their products, and this one is my absolute favorite, so I've got it again. Shampoo and conditioner एक ऐसा product है जो बहुत ही जल्दी खत्म होता है, so I don't mind budgeting it. Get something that's under your budget and save the rest for the stylers. I'm gonna use these two products, wash my hair, and be right back. I am back. My hair is freshly washed and ready to be styled. The feeling of freshly washed hair is unbeatable. After I shampoo and condition, I always like to use a microfiber cloth. This one is from the brand Hair Love India. Amazing quality. It's like a turban, so you just have to tie it up. Hassle free and amazing. The quality is really great, so I would highly recommend it. Next, I'm gonna use a curl defining anti-frizz hair mist. This is by the brand Anveya Curls. This is a new product that I've been trying out recently. Again, it is CG friendly, does not have a lot of gunk products like sulfates, parabens, silicones. Now, the reason I picked this up because this is a leave-in hair mist with thermal protection. You guys know I do like to blow dry my hair using a diffuser. That does mean a little bit of heat damage. This one will protect it from that. This is also great to reduce frizz and flyaways for perfectly smooth, shiny hair. It has a very lightweight formula. It does not weigh your curls down, which I love. Okay, for stylers, I'm gonna use Fix My Curls. This is curl quenching hair butter, and this one is curl quenching flaxseed jelly. This two duo works absolutely amazing on my hair, and I always gravitate towards it, so that's what I'm gonna use today. First, I'm gonna use the hair butter. Now, you don't need a lot of it, you just need a little bit. Both the products have really great ingredients in them and are CG friendly, just in case. Okay, all the hair is covered nicely. Next, I'm gonna start sectioning my hair and style it using this brush. I'm gonna take like this thick chunk, go over it once, at an angle, brush it through, give it a good shake, and scrunch. What this does, it separates the curl clumps and make sure you have really good defined curls. I'm gonna continue doing that all over. Last week ही मैं अपने old videos go through कर रही थी, and I saw my curly hair journey वाला video. There were so many comments saying that they went through the same, or they're feeling the same, they have gone through the same journey like me, and it was so sad to hear that so many girls, so many curly heads have gone through the same journey of hating their hair, straightening it either with an iron or a straightener, whatever, and just hating their hair in general. इससे कॉन्फिडेंस में इतना गंदा इफेक्ट होता है ना, आई कांट इवन एक्सप्लेन. आई नो इट बिकॉज आई वेंट थ्रू इट, एंड सो मैनी गर्ल्स गोइंग थ्रू द सेम थिंग, एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यूट्यूब कि उन्होंने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है जहाँ पर गर्ल्स कैन सी द वीडियोज ऑन हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ देयर हेयर. अगर ये नहीं होता तो आई थिंक आगे के जनरेशन वुड स्टिल गो थ्रू द सेम. एंड आई नो कि इवन दो यूट्यूब है, सबको ये रेकमेंड नहीं होता है जब तक आप फिजिकली खुद जाके टाइप करके सर्च ना करो, राइट? आई डोंट नो, मुझे तो, मैंने तो खुद ही फिजिकली जाके सर्च किया था तब जाके रेकमेंड हुआ था, या फिर यू नो आई सॉ दोज वीडियोज. जब तक आपको पता ही नहीं कि यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेयर, यू कैन रॉक इट कर्ली, तब तक क्या, तब तक you are just gonna be in that cycle of hating your hair. Wow, that's such a vicious cycle, no? And after that, another thought was going on in my head. I was thinking कि अगर मेरे बाल curly होते, like how it is right now, how I'm embracing it, if I would have known back then, तो मैं क्या क्या हेयर स्टाइल करती, how I would have styled it throughout the college years. And it's so sad that those days are never gonna come back. And that feeling of not wanting my hair curly and not liking it that way, just sad, man. And I feel so grateful कि moms DM me who have kids who have curly hair, ताकि वो learn कर पाए कि कैसे उनके बच्चों के बालों को take care करना है, how they won't feel how I felt throughout my childhood, you know. And that's so amazing. So yeah, I never really saw a good example of beautiful curly hair, because everyone who had curly hair either put it up in a bun or did some hairstyle, so it's like not up and about, you know what I mean? Do not brush your hair down like this. You'll have flat roots. Make sure, if you want volume, always start at the bottom at an angle, twist a little at the end, that's it, and shake. After that, scrunch. After styling your hair, when you scrunch it, it should sound something like this. When you hear that sound when you scrunch, that means your hair is well moisturized and it has everything that it needs. It's not gonna dry frizzy. See, this side is styled and well moisturized, and look at this hair. It does have leave-in, but it does not have enough water. I have not added everything that it needs, right? This is how it's gonna dry. And look at this. Difference hai na? Okay, now that my hair is nicely styled, as you can clearly see, I'm gonna set it with the curl quenching flaxseed jelly. This is gonna give you a cast, but obviously you can scrunch it out later on once it's 100% dry. This will make sure that your curls last longer. For this, I like to put my hair all upside down, something like this. And using a praying hand method, I'm just gonna go like this. I'm not gonna destroy the work that I just did. Just very lightly and scrunch. Okay, so this is how the hair looks like. Now I'm gonna let this hair air dry for a good half an hour to 1 hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair using a diffuser at low heat and medium airflow. Set it nicely, and I'll be back to show you guys the result. And this is the final result. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you not like it? I really like it. I feel the red color does look good on curls, but full on disclaimer, red color bleeds. It will keep on bleeding throughout the shelf life, and it does fade away. So always be careful about that. Look at my curls, man. It's so defined, and this routine always works for me. This is like a fail-proof method. These products are like fail-proof method. I know that this works 100% on my hair. I always get amazing results. Like, do you see this? It's so good. I have volume. Do you see the kind of volume I have? And it's also because of a great haircut. But it's looking so good. I really like it. Okay, I quickly wanted to talk about few of the items that I've been obsessing over. Now, a lot of you guys keep asking me, Shruti, how do you take care of your hair throughout the day? Because wash to kar liya, abhi baal achhe to lag rahe. But throughout the day, you wash your face, you do your makeup, you do a lot of stuff, and the front hair especially keeps falling on your face. When you're working, you want something to tie them back up. And these clips are a game changer. I got them in a lot of different colors. I like to take just the front pieces, something like this. And this is how it looks in the back. I love that they are so multifunctional. While doing your makeup, you can clip them in the front like this. The best thing about them is that they do not ruin your curls. Your curls are gonna look exactly how they were before. And the last thing I want to talk about is a dry shampoo. This is from the brand Batiste. I've never tried dry shampoo, and what a game changer. I especially use this on day 4, day 5 hair where my scalp is feeling a little oily, but the ends are doing really good. So I just spray this a little bit and voila, you're good to go. You have all that volume back. It does not look greasy at the top. This is a game changer. I'm telling you, grab it. With that said, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. These are my go-to products and I genuinely enjoy using them. You can get all of them easily on Amazon. I'll put all the links in the description down below. Don't worry about it. And don't forget to like, share this video, comment down below. What do you think about the color? What do you think about the results? I am enjoying them. And share it with your friends. If you have any curly friends, definitely suggest this video. And in general, just share it with your friends and family. You know what I mean? And the comment shout out goes to Pooja. Pooja, thank you so much for waiting for this video. It's finally up. Hope you're enjoying this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.